In this video tutorial, I'd like to have a look at the tonic triad in the key of A minor. And not in the key of A minor, but in the key of A minor. Now, previously I did a video on the tonic triad in the key of C major. And we know that when we write out the tonic triad in the key of C major, we are going to use the first degree, C, the third degree, E, as well as the fifth degree, G, and that we stacked on top of each other, and that makes a triad. Remember, a chord is the playing of two or more notes together, and this is the tonic triad on C because the root is C, and C is also the tonic of C major. How then do we write the tonic triad in the key of A minor? Exactly the same, but now the tonic triad should tell us that the root note here, or the tonic note here, will be A. So A first. And the tonic triad is always built on degrees 1, 3, and 5. So if A is 1, then the next one, the third note, interval of a third up from A will be C, and the fifth interval will be E. And then we get A, C, E. So it is called a tonic triad in the key of A minor because it is built on the first degree, or the tonic, of the A minor scale. It doesn't matter whether it's natural or harmonic, it's built on those 3 degrees. Now, we need to remember that when we label scales that are major, when we label them with Roman numerals, we are going to write a Roman numeral. For majors, it's always a capital I, but for minors, it is a lowercase I. So those are the way that we label the Roman numerals for the major and for the minor. When we need to write chord symbols, we need to remember that we are going to write for the majors, we're just going to write the tonic note, which is C. But for the minor, we are going to label it the tonic note and a small lowercase m, which stands for minor. And we have to remember that chord symbols are always above the stave, while the Roman numerals are below the staves. Remember, chord symbols are used by guitarists or any other musicians or any other instrumentalists that will be playing chords or improvising on that chord. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe and check out any other videos that might help you. Thanks for watching.